If you work with clients, you know how hard it can be to keep track of all your work, especially when there's multiple people on your team working with clients and possibly freelancers too. Email conversations just get messy. If you're not in the thread, you just don't know who said what, and files go missing all the time. And then clients aren't clear on deadlines, you don't get reminded about important tasks, and quality slips. But Project.co is here to solve this. We bring all your conversations between your team, clients and freelancers into one place so everyone can collaborate together. You can manage tasks and store files and decide who sees what so everyone has the information that they need, but they don't see the things you want to keep private. And all of this is in a beautiful interface so your team and clients will love to use it. Let me show you how it works. We just click to see all projects that you're working on at any time. So you've got a list of everything that you're working on, and you can see where everything's up to and who's working on each project too. All of this can be grouped in different ways so you can see it exactly how you want to see it. So if you want to see the type of projects you're working on, you can do that. If you want to see the stage everything's up to, you can do that. And you can set these as custom fields so you can segment your data in your way. Then we have different views. So if you like to see a list view, you can see it that way. We have cards view, Kanban view. We also have calendar and timeline views too. Then each project is a self-contained area for that piece of work. So on the home page, you can see all the project information. You can see the team that are part of it, your team. You can see any freelancers and clients, and you can decide whether freelancers and clients can mix or if they shouldn't see each other too. So they can mix and be part of the project together, or they can be hidden from each other if you want to keep freelancers and clients private from each other too. You have a start date and a deadline, privacy, so you can decide who sees the project, and any custom fields that you've set up too. Then each project has its own self-contained discussion. In fact, you can have as many discussions, different discussions within projects as you like. So here we've got a project chat, a freelance team chat, an internal chat, but you can set up different discussion threads for different things within each single project. And each discussion is a real-time chat where you can have conversations, add emojis, you can reply, you can upload files into here too. So it's a fully featured discussion so that you've got real-time conversation with everyone who's part of each project. Then within each project you've also got tasks, so you can keep track of different things that you've got to do on each project. You can see the dates, you can see who's responsible for it, you can click into each task and you can see everything that needs to be that is important on that particular task. You can even have discussions, add files, have subtasks and notes all on each individual task. And again, all this information can be grouped in different ways, and we have different views, list, Kanban, calendar and timeline, so you can see your tasks exactly how you like to see them. Then, in this project, we also have the uploaded files that are part of this project. Files can simply be dragged and dropped into each project, and also segmented into different folders, so you can have files organised in the way that you like to see them too. Each project also has its own notes, and again, just like discussions, you can have an unlimited number of different notes on each project, and you can determine who can see each note as well. So you can keep all information in projects separate and private based on whether you want everyone to see it or just a select group of people. Then you've got a way to see all projects that you're working on. You can see all tasks across all projects, so you can see all projects you have access to. You can see all the tasks, and then again you have that in different views too, so you can see them in all the different views that you like. You can see all files across projects, and you can see all the people who are part of your account too. And each person has a different role and different permission settings, so you can determine exactly what that person can and can't do in your account. We also have DMs, so you can set up different one-to-one conversations or groups of people who can have chats as well. And this means that you can again keep all your conversations segmented, but in one system, in one place, so you have one place to go for all your projects, tasks, files, internal team discussions. So everything is segmented but private, so you can all chat and collaborate together. All right, that was a little whistle-stop tour of Project.co. There's much more that it can do, but if you want to check it out today and keep all your projects and information organised, then check out Project.co today.